Nice bass. Check it out. About a nice 2-3 pounder. Right off of the rubber worm. Oh, it don't get no better than this, guys. You do what you love. Keep at it. Don't give up. Ah, look at that nice fish right there. Right. What's going on, everyone? Check it out. Here doing a little bit of night fishing. Using my Red Max Abu Garcia. Let's see what we can get into. Throwing my pumpkin seed dinger tonight. And see if we can hook into some nice big bass. It's about midnight. So you guys stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. It's going to be a good one. When life throws you lemons, go fishing. All right, guys, check it out. All right. Nice bass here caught at the campground. It's about midnight. Oh, he just crashed the rubber worm. Yes, get you some, guys. All right. Nice bass. Check it out. About a nice 2-3 pounder. Right off of the rubber worm. Oh, it don't get no better than this, guys. You do what you love. Keep at it. Don't give up. Ah, look at that nice fish right there. Stay tuned, guys. If you want to see some more fish in action, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And stay tuned to the Fish On Outdoors channel, where I bring you some of the best fishing here in Central Florida. All right, he just crashed it. Nice one. Nice fish. Let's get this guy off the hook and set him back free. All right. Perfect hook set. Nice fish. All right, guys. I'm gonna set this one free. Let's see if we can catch some more nice big bass here tonight. It's about midnight here at the campground. You guys stay tuned. Nice fish. Thank you, Mr. Bass. You get to go home tonight.